Hi everyone, this is Hansini and my friend Ashwita.
We are from 7th grade.
Mathematics is a mathematical application of matter. It is so said because the subject makes a man methodical or systematic. Mathematics makes our life orderly to prevent chaos. Certain qualities that are nurtured by mathematics are power of reasoning, creativity, abstract thinking, critical thinking, problem solving ability and even effective communication skills. Mathematics is the cradle of all creations, without which the world cannot be moved an inch. Be it a cook or a farmer, a carpenter or a mechanic, a shopkeeper or a doctor, a musician or a musician, everyone needs mathematics in their day-to-day life. Even insects use math in our day-to-day life for existence. Snails make their shells, spiders design their webs, bees build the hexagonal combs. There are countless examples of mathematical patterns in nature fabric. Anyone can be a mathematician if one is given proper guidance and training in formative period of one's life. We use math in our everyday life and we also can't deny that some people own math as their least favorite subject. When they were studying math, they have to take worksheets that demand deadline and books about algebra, trigonometry are not surely the kind of activities they are fond of. The importance of math and its vast uses in science has more profession to learn more about aerospace and advanced technologies. Now my friend will explain about application of mathematics in real life. Over to Ashwita.
Application of mathematics. Mathematics is the universal language that is applied in almost every aspect of life. Mathematics is important for all kinds of professions in the world. Every aspect of life is highly dependent on the use of numbers and arithmetic. Math is the language of science. It is used to develop the rest of science and interpret its theories, especially physics, chemistry, astronomy, geography, etc. Mathematics is the most important part of banking and financial matters. It is necessary to be accurate in the accounts to be able to maintain the money in an optimal manner. Mathematics plays a major role in the development of modern technology needs, such as internet, which facilitates communication between people and enables us to obtain information and search for its way. Mathematics is a core component of every engineering field and is also widely used in architecture. Architects use mathematics to calculate the square area of rooms and buildings and the dimensions of ground area and the space required for other areas such as parking, plumbing, etc. Mathematics is an important part of the sports field. It plays a big role in the efficiency of sports. Not only sports, in animation designing, music, painting, fashion designing, in the kitchen, gardening, agriculture, what not, everything revolves around mathematics.
Last but not least, math gives us hope that every problem has a solution. Thank you.